10 Best Herbs for Kidney Cleansing. Hey there amigos, you are watching Crazy Health, which is all about to give you more of a healthier life. Located under the ribcage in your lower back, your kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs responsible for clearing waste from your body. Each day, your kidneys process about 200 quarts of blood to help remove about 2 quarts of excess water and waste products from food and normal breakdown of active tissues. If you consume adequate fluids, which can take the form of foods such as fruits and vegetables, as well as water and other liquids, the kidneys are self-cleansing. A number of products, foods or specialized diets claim to detoxify the kidneys in order to promote healthy kidney function and prevent kidney stones. Kidney cleansers are also purported to help keep blood pressure in check, improve functioning of the urinary tract and bladder, boost immunity, and clear toxins from the entire body. If you're looking for a powerful way to get your body in better health, consider cleansing your kidneys. Along with colon and liver cleansing, kidney cleansing is one of the most basic and necessary detoxes. If your kidneys don't function well, they can't properly filter waste material from your blood. When that happens, toxins that kidneys should expel in your urine remain in your bloodstream, harming your entire body. Like and subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming video. In today's video, we will have a look at what are those 10 herbs used for kidney cleansing. A healthy diet full of fruits and vegetables, exercise and staying hydrated are essential for supporting optimal kidney function. For a little extra help, consider the following kidney cleansing herbs. Parsley. Parsley contains an antioxidant called luteolin, which helps in flushing out toxins from the body. It is a natural diuretic herb that can cleanse the kidney. Drink a cup of parsley tea or include this herb in your salad and other dishes. Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo Biloba may protect kidneys from damage caused by toxins. Experts credit this herb's antioxidant power for its renoprotective effects. Ginkgo also stimulates certain enzymes that counteract chemical toxins once inside the kidney. Marshmallow Root. Marshmallow root is a gentle diuretic that increases urination and also helps in soothing the tissues found in the urinary tract system. As a soothing herb, marshmallow root may calm the tissues of the urinary tract. It's a gentle diuretic that encourages urination. The mucilage created by marshmallow root is known to be helpful for kidney stones. Juniper Berry. Juniper berries are an important medicinal plant, according to experts. Among other health benefits, the berry may promote normal LDL cholesterol levels in kidney tissues. Juniper also protects kidney cells against harmful toxins. The terpenes in juniper, including limonene, pinene, and others, deter harmful organisms. Uva Ursi. Also called bearberry, Uva Ursi has been used by many cultures. It's an astringent that can soothe and tone the urinary tract. Research has also supported its traditional use for cleansing the kidneys. Basil. Basil is an effective diuretic. It removes kidney stones and improves kidney functioning. Basil also lowers the level of uric acid in blood and improves kidney health. Its ingredients such as essential oils and acetic acid break down kidney stones and allow for smooth removal. Basil is also a painkiller. Dandelion. Consuming tea made using dry organic dandelion or fresh dandelion root pulled from the ground helps to cleanse the kidneys. Dandelion is a kidney tonic, but also stimulates bile production to improve digestion and minimize the waste reaching the kidneys. Horsetail. Horsetail is a common weed with diuretic properties, as it can help in flushing toxins and harmful materials out of the kidneys. It is a great herb to add to your diet, as it is also an antioxidant and offers a plethora of benefits to the kidneys. Cornsilk. Cornsilk is diuretic in nature and stimulates kidney and urinary tract health by helping to maintain healthy calcium and fluid levels. It is also used to treat bladder infections, kidney stones, and urinary infections. Celery Root. To remove the toxic substances from the body, this herb is very effective. Celery contains essential nutrients that stimulate your kidneys. Drinking celery juice every day helps in preventing kidney stones and infections. There are many causes of kidney stones, such as dehydration, excessively acidic urine, urinary tract infections, buildup of waste and toxins in the kidneys, among others. The symptoms of kidney stones include excessive lower back, abdominal or urinary tract pain, which may be sharp, mild or excruciating, severe vomiting or feeling nauseated, persistent urge to pass urine, and constant chills or sweating. While the symptoms vary depending on the size of the stones, unceasing pain and discomfort on the sides is a good reason to see a urologist. Kidney stones are easily curable if diagnosed early. There are several reasons why you should flush out toxins and waste from your body. For instance, cleansing your kidneys improves their function and reduces bloating. Likewise, cleansing your kidney improves your ability to process certain foods, absorb nutrients, and convert food to energy, preventing fatigue. Flushing out waste and toxins prevents potential infection and reduces the risk for bladder problems. Similarly, cleansing the kidneys reduces the chance of having painful kidney stones, corrects hormonal imbalances, and prevents skin breakouts such as acne, eczema, and rashes. Another effective cleansing agent for the kidneys is cranberry juice, which supports the urinary tract, fights urinary tract infections, and removes excess calcium oxalate. Beets and their juices contain betaine, which increases urine acidity, prevents buildup of struvite and calcium phosphate, and reduces the chances of kidney stone formation. Other effective cleansing agents are coconut water, cucumber juice, and cherries. When it comes to your diet, unless you know you suffer from poor kidney health, it's likely you're not really thinking about which specific foods are good or bad for the two renal system organs. And even if you suffer from kidney disease, failure, or other kidney issues, you may not be aware of or adhere to a proper everyday, best renal diet. While the strictness of your meal plan depends on the stage of your kidney disease, it's important to understand what you should and shouldn't put in your body to bolster kidney health, or a kidney cleanse if you will. Unfortunately, in addition to further damaging the kidneys and not boosting kidney function, not following a healthy renal diet for kidney disease management can also potentially cause other health risks, including an increase in blood pressure, an increase in protein in the urine, and it could also contribute to other problems related to bone health and heart health. When your kidneys are not working as well as they should, fluid and waste build up in your body. Over time, the waste and extra fluid can cause bone, heart, and other health problems. A kidney-friendly meal plan and these herbs can limit how much of certain minerals and fluid you eat and drink. This can help keep the waste and fluid from building up and causing problems. Cleansing your kidneys is one of the crucial ways of keeping them fit. Hydration is the key to enable this organ to function properly. When water intake is low, the volume of urine is low. This leads to kidney dysfunction. So, as the filtration system of the body, kidneys require 2 to 3 liters of water daily to secrete urine. Aim for drinking at least 2 liters of water in a day. Your water intake need largely depends on your health and lifestyle. Factors like climate, exercise, gender, and your overall health are important to consider when planning your daily water intake requirement. Regular, consistent water consumption is healthy for your kidneys as it helps clean sodium and toxins from them. It also lowers your risk of chronic kidney disease. People who have previously had kidney stones should drink a bit more water to help prevent stone deposit and its formation in the future. Maintaining kidney health is important to your overall health and general well-being. By keeping your kidneys clean, you can keep them healthy. Healthy kidneys filter and expel waste properly and produce hormones to help your body function properly. Kidney cleansing programs can vary considerably, but they often involve restricted diets, consuming only water, smoothies, and teas for several days, and taking herbal supplements. Proponents claim that these programs detoxify the body and promote better kidney health. Most people can keep their kidneys healthy by eating a healthful, balanced diet and drinking enough fluid. And by having a proper usage dose of these herbs can easily help in the cleaning of your kidneys. We hope that this video will definitely help you all in keeping your healthier lifestyles on the go. Stay with us till we are back with another video of Crazy Health. Don't forget clicking the like, share, and subscribe icons.